Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, tap on the pencil and select our hotspot. So you want to hold it and drag it over to the top to actually have it in the toggles. From there, go back and you should have it right here. Now before you actually tap on it, you want to hold it, so we go into the settings, and from here go to Wi-Fi Hotspot and then tap on things like password, so you can change it. By default it's just some kind of randomly generated password, so we can change it ourselves and set something that we'll actually remember. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length. Then tap on OK, and at the top we also have the hotspot name. This is going to be the Wi-Fi's name once you actually enable it. And apart from that, you also have the security. I'll tell you to keep it as it is. If you choose to go with none, anybody can connect to it. And then we also have advanced, so turn off hotspot automatically if it's not being used. That's completely up to you. I suggest to keep it on. And then IP band, we can change that. It's stuck at 2.4. Apparently it doesn't go any higher. So from there, we can tap on the check mark right here to turn it on, and this will enable the hotspot, as you see the icon pop up here. And you can also disable it once you're done with it by simply tapping on the toggle right here or turning it on also from here. Now keep in mind that if no one is connected to it, it will turn off automatically on its own after a given time, I should add. But that is how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.